Come on, mate, move your shed. People are trying to work here. Oh my god, evil parts are not cheap.
It'll probably break.
Is that another little dig? Yeah, lads. Oh, hang on. Okay, lad, be professional, mate. Get your shit together. Good morning, peeps. We're actually outside Motion now. So it's the day we're going to be doing a lot in the Evo. It's about 11 o'clock, I reckon we're going to be working on the Evo all day, Dave says. Now, I got a text this morning. I was like, what time shall I come down? He's like, oh, I'll come down at 10. I've got all the subframe off, it's ready to be welded. What? Wait, what? When the fuck? Wait, what? Apparently the Evo's in there and it's got all the rear end off the car, so I've never seen it like this. So that's why I'm starting the video out here. So I'm going to walk in now. Hopefully these Evos gonna be, oh my god, it's gonna be weird. Man treated himself to a £3 meal deal. Obs. What else am I going to do for food? Skint bastard. So let's walk in. Say hello to Dave. Oh my god. What's he doing? Oh. There's all the shit. Start straight into the video then, I suppose. Ah, good morning.
So I did that yesterday. Last night, just in like preparation of for today.
Okay.
It's pretty bad, mate.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, I mean, the problem is, like, obviously, there's about 3 skins, sorry, dude.
Okay.
There's about 3 skins here. Obviously, that's a subframe mount, that's a subframe mount, that's a subframe mount. That's obviously where the rear tow arm comes from.
Yeah.
So all of this needs to be strong.
Yeah.
But what it's done is gone between the skins. Now, this is quite solid again.
Yeah.
Obviously comes up here, it's rubbish, so what I'm going to do is cut further up there, see how much further up the rotten inner skin goes.
Yeah.
Jazz all this back, try and clean up all this up as best we can, cut this rot out here, and see what we're left with. Then plate over it.
Yeah.
To that level, spot weld in there, and try and get this skin tacked back to the subframe mounting points, then go over the top of it again with a finishing piece. So it should be as it was.
Standard day in the office for you, isn't it, mate?
Yeah. Yeah. So I mean, yeah, it's pretty bad. But luckily we cut it at this stage rather than it being a little bit further down the line and spreading.
So it's fixable.
Yeah. I mean, if you look down into the inside the cavities, it's really not that bad in there. So once we've got all this out, we'll spray some brush treatment in there. Okay. And wax all the inside of that cavity. So yeah, nothing has broken or caused any real problems. And when we've taken it apart, we've given it all clean.
Oh right, yeah, I was wondering where it. So this is everything.
Yeah, not this bit. This is being gearbox.
Oh right. Oh, so there it is.
Yeah, good jet wash off and everything yesterday. So when it goes back together, it's not absolutely minging.
Right. Okay. Yeah. Would it be a good idea if I run and grab some paint and paint it, or is that not a good idea?
What the?
Yeah,
you could do. I mean,
is it a bit too much work than what it's worth?
It's not so much that, but if you just paint on top of that, it's just going to fall straight out again.
Yeah, it needs to be sanded all down and all that shit.
I mean, we've got to take these off to get the diff bushes out anyway, or the mounting bushes.
Right. Okay. So it might be.
Yeah, if you wanted to, mate, you can act while I'm trimming all this away.
Right, we're going to stick to the roots and we're going to do it DIY. He's going to give me a grinder and a wire wheel. So I'm going to grind them all down myself, and then I'm going to run to the motor factors, which Dave says somewhere around this area, and I'm going to paint them as well. So while Dave's doing that, I'm going to make myself useful. How long did it take you to drop all this?
About 2 hours.
Right, okay. Holy shit, that's a strong gun. I need one of them. What a bush should look like. Them cracks, they're normal. Right, so I got some brushed on stuff because the spray-on ones weren't rust inhibitor and it weren't direct to metal. That's direct to metal and it's rust inhibitor as well. I have to brush it, a bit more annoying than spraying, but whatever, it's going to be thicker paint as well. I got silver just to go with the rest of the aluminium. Right, we've got a grinder. We've got your boy Lockwood with some gloves and some actual PFE, is it? What's the safety thing? PPE? PPE? What's crack on? I think we'd best get Johnny to move his Porsche first. I think that might be a good idea. Come on, mate, move your shed. People are trying to work here. Oh, cheeky. Cheeky, cheeky. Right, that's one done. It's best I can get it really. I'm gonna go brush it off with the compressor. That's literally the best I can get, but I think it's not bad. Little bits here and there, but I might just get a little wire brush in there and the little nibbly bits. Right, let's get some paint on this bitch. Probably people are going to shout at me for being the worst painter in the world, but YOLO, lads. Hey, this is fun, lads. I like this. I'm having fun. I mean, what Dave isn't telling you is that this is the most important part of the process. Dave's just doing the easy bit, you know, the cutting and the welding and basically redoing the whole rear of the car. That's the easy bit. This is the hard bit, I've been told. Let's have a look how this is getting on. I wish I knew what he was doing, but I have no fucking idea what he sprayed on that. Not sure if it's paint or some sort of rust, like, eater or something. Not sure, bro. Right, so we're taking the rear end apart now. We've got new drop links. We've had to grind one of the drop links off, but both drop links are full. So we've got some new drop links. I think he needs to get this. Do you need to get the subframe and put it up so you weld it in the right place? Is that right? Okay, so that's why we're taking this off.
It's how we set it here.
Yeah.
Put bolts back in.
Yeah.
So that we can plate from the nose to the body. Then pull it all back off again, put it over the top of it, put it back on again, make sure it's all right, take it off, put the last skin on. So there's a bit of to and fro. Right.
I went to Simon Norton's the other day and he said he had an Evo in, and it weren't, when he had it welded, it weren't put together back together perfectly, and he couldn't do a setup on the rear. So I'm guessing,
really?
Yeah. So I'm guessing this is good to do this, what you're doing then.
Yeah, 20 minutes of messing about now and off and on with things can save you doing the whole thing again.
Man, that gun's sick.
Good at it.
So we've took the front diff mounting bracket off, and the bushes aren't too healthy in here as well. So I've rang Larkspeed again. He's going to send out some more Powerflex bushes. So obviously Larkspeed has supplied all the bushes for this, so which is unreal for them. So thank you so much, Richard. I've just rang Richard now. Richard's going to get these ones as well sent out to here. But we've also got some more issues as well with the drive shaft was basically seized into the hub, so we basically now need a new outer CV joint and probably a new wheel bearing as well, so that's never fun. But it's old Jap stuff, we expect it, to be fair. But so Larkspeed, thank you so much. So this is, well, what was the CV joint and the wheel bearing? Ruined. Right, so we've just rang guys at CPP, CPP. I've actually heard about them before. A lot of guys say go there to get the engine rebuilds and stuff. I've rang them, they've got a drive shaft and a CV boot. Right, so I just got a drive shaft and a wheel bearing. Oh my god, Evo parts are not cheap. But it has to be done, it has to be done. Oh, that was £174 for a drive shaft and a wheel bearing. Second hand, yeah. Well, Euro Car Parts wanted 180 just for the wheel bearing, so whatever. And Rossport sell drive shafts for about £500. So yeah, this is just how much parts cost on the Evo. It's stupid money, but oh well. It's lucky that they were around the corner and we've got it. So let's get back, continue with my painting. Right, so I'm cracking on. Oh, look at these! They look snazzy with these on. I'm cracking on with the other diff mount. I'm just grinding outside, ready for painting. I'm not going to look at this, but I can look at it through the camera. He's getting on, doing some lovely work here. Oh, how's it looking?
More like.
Oh wow! Look at that.
So we've got
more like a car again.
These holes a little bit, and drill some holes around here.
Yeah.
Spot weld the plate to the mounts, and fill in this piece now. And we're getting there.
Getting there.
We're getting there.
Like a car should be then, yeah? Like a car should be. Something like that. And when you can't physically help, you turn into the coffee man. So we've kept them topped up with their coffees. This man has black with no sugars. That guy. Right, so he's finished the welding. There we go. Good?
I've been really disappointed in myself.
With a camera in your face as well.
So it started off like that. Obviously all the rot inside the couple of skins. So he cut it out, then obviously the mounts then sort of suspended just by this bit of steel here. So put the subframe in, put a gusset and a tack in there just to make sure nothing moved. Pulled it back off again and started adding all the gussets around the...
You're going to put these pictures on Instagram?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
Around the edges of the... But I'll wait until you've done your video and stuff first. Re-gusseted this sort of 2.5mm steel rather than using the thin steel that we put over the top.
Right.
So gusseted all the way around all the edges so the frame and everything was then back to the body of the car, and then go over the top with the finishing steel.
Finish. I was outside doing the very important job of painting. Yes, that's why I missed most of that process, but so that's what the Instagram pictures are for. No, so obviously if you want to go and have a look at them pictures, I'm sure he'll put a big description of what he's done as well, so go over to their Instagram and have a look at them pictures, because
Because obviously you said you've got someone that's going to underseal the car.
Yeah.
It makes sense while the subframe's down to do all
the
this
bit,
area.
yeah, definitely, yeah.
So I'm going to clean up all this with the wire wheel, get all the loose bits of crap off there, around here, around the pickup points, give it a good brake cleaner off, give it an underseal, and then obviously fire the subframe and back on again. Wait for all your bits to dry, press the bushes in and build it back up, and then arches and the underside.
Let my guy do it, yeah. What sort of thing do you use to underseal it? What is it? Is it just
well,
like
so normally I would get off all the crusty stuff.
Yeah.
Zinc prime all the areas that have had any loose bits of rust or anything there, just so all the fresh metal then is protected. And then we use like an underbody Schultz with a little bit of wax oil. So.
Oh, right.
There's other types that you can use.
Is that spray or is you have to put it into a gun?
You put it in a gun. Use it with an airline. It just gives you a better, more finish.
Yeah.
But we've got an aerosol as well, so in areas like
or tight bits
where you can't get up with a gun, it's just easier to root than aerosol, mate.
Glamorous. Nasty shit, innit?
Super glamorous.
So as we're cleaning up, we can see a little tiny bit more which needs putting and welding on the rear chassis leg. It's only like a 2 inch wide flat plate, so Dave said it's dead easy to do. Are we doing that now or a different day? Might as well, yeah. Fucking hell.
Where the two skins meet in the middle, water's got in between the two and split it.
I'm trying my hardest to help out while Dave does that. Right, so there's the second bit that's been cut out. Dave's cutting off the welding the plate now. Oh, good job we found it. Oh, so this is the primer, is it? It looks nice, just primer, doesn't it?
It's better than with holes, isn't it?
So we did find another bit of rust on that rear leg, just on the insides up here, which is going to be done tomorrow, all on one fucking leg. So we're going to crack on, well, we need to crack on with this diff leak as well. Why would you think it's a weird place coming from there?
Not that it's a weird place, obviously it's a joint, but it's normally from the seal, but last time I looked at it I cannot remember where it was coming from. But if you're fairly adamant that it's here, and it does look.
Yeah, that's why it's always been wet, right on that gasket, right on that joint there, it's always been wet there. So what we use, just some gasket sealant or?
Yeah.
Well,
I'm just going to
lay everything out, oh right.
Put the drop links off it, press the bushes up the toe arms.
Oh yeah.
Get the power flex bush in the toe arms, all that sort of stuff.
Yeah.
Get organised things ready for Friday.
Right.
And then have a look at this diff.
Yeah. Got a new wheel bearing, I'll go back on here in a sec. Look at this car, man. Look at this, nice little setup. Right, let's get this bush off for the toe arm.
There we go.
press it out. Right, that one's out, so let's put in the Powerflex brush. Thank you Lightspeed for supplying these, my guys. Just so they don't get underseal all over them.
I could take them off, but...
Yeah, bit of effort, innit?
It'd probably break.
Is that another little dig? You already fucked me on the comment when I said I already walked in with a shed. People were loving that one, mate. So this is the fun part.
Is that what you call it?
More fun than the other shit. There she is.
Yeah, we're missing that bit because we need some more.
Yeah, this bit, yeah.
But that does mean that the subframe can go back on. And then on Friday morning, when the rest of the bushes come, press the bushes in, sort the diff seal out.
Oh, you're doing that on Friday?
Yeah, it's home time now.
It is home time. I'm kind of glad we ran over because driving back to mine from here is like the worst thing ever, so I'm kind of glad it's like 6 o'clock now. Yeah. Get straight home. You're not here. Well, fuck you, mate.
That's a big day, that.
It's been fun. It's been fun.
It's not bad at all.
No. I had a really tough job painting outside. It's been a tough day, mate. This is what you've done today, and this is what I've done. Thank you so much. I will see you in a couple of weeks. Yeah. A couple of weeks. Because I'm off to Germany and he's off to Barcelona. Right, we'll see you soon, Eva. You're looking very pretty. You're going to look even pretty with all this on, with the fresh paint. Right, let's get home to Milo. So yeah, there we have it. It's a long day. A lot more work than we thought we needed to do. To be fair, now I think about it, what we've done in one day, well I say we, you know, I helped a little bit by being the parts runner. What's been done in one day has been amazing, you know. We initially thought it was one bit of welding, then we've seen another bit and then another bit, so there's like 3 bits of welding on the same chassis arms. That's good, we've seen it. It's all been undersealed at the rear, we've had a new hub, new drive shaft, new drop links, the Powerflex bushes are in. He's fixing the diff on Friday, so unfortunately I'm busy on Friday, so I won't be able to film the rest of it, but he said he'll take some pictures of what's going on and stuff. But basically he's just got to finish off that last bit of welding, put the subframe back on and align the car, and then it'll be unreal to drive. I can't wait for that. It's obviously been a lot. It's going to be, well, he's not giving me a price on how much he's charging me yet, but I've got a rough idea, and it's expensive, but it needs to happen, and I'm going to fall in love with the car again, and then we're going to go to Performance Northwest and get the rest of it undersealed. So yeah guys, the next video will be picking the Evo up, and my reaction of driving a car which, you know, was perfect, to be fair. Well, it's not perfect, close to perfect an Evo can get. Thanks for watching, lads. I love you all, and I'll see you next time.